44 gang. Hemi Texas. Stand up, let go. Blue gang don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dog the car. Yes, sir. Blue flame don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dog the car. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hemi like ride. 44. Yeah. Hemi like yeah. On the road. Yeah. Hemi like yeah.
Hemi like 44. Like, comment, subscribe. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
44 gang, what's happening, man? It's your boy, Hemi Life 44, back with another banger, man. Let me turn this TV off since I got the house to myself. Smack is dropping rap battles right now. I'm getting my notifications. But man, if y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, and browse. We're going up all 2021. Hey man, my hats, I just got more hats came in. You know what I'm saying? If y'all hadn't seen the hats, like I said, man, I'm going dumb on this merch. Y'all gotta excuse the fact that I ain't got no shirt on. That's why I'm showing just my, you know what I'm saying? I got the camera so close, but you know what I'm saying? I gotta do what I gotta do. And I feel like starting the camera right now, so that's what I'm doing, you understand me? But you understand me? Say the best for last. I only got one of these right here. I only got one of these, bro. That go with the tracksuit. You know what I'm saying? The other one go with the tracksuit. The red and black one go with the tracksuit. Come on, man. I got y'all, man. Come on now. Don't forget, hey, I didn't tell y'all this, but we're doing free shipping on the tracksuits right now. So y'all order a tracksuit, limited numbers right now. So y'all order quick. You know what I'm saying? But the tracksuits are fire. They banging, they blazing. You know what I'm saying? They everything you would want if you're looking for a tracksuit. Make sure y'all get that, Hemilife44.com. Also, don't forget we're doing a giveaway on the rap. Hemilife44.com. Order any t-shirt. You order a t-shirt, you get entered into the giveaway. However many times you order, however many times you get entered. And the giveaway is a chance to get your car camo wrapped by the one and only Jada Rap Guy. You understand me? But today, man, I've been getting a lot of questions on my Magnum. So I really have neglected that car. And I apologize to y'all and that car. You know what I'm saying? I have neglected that car. I'm gonna get back on it. So today, I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna show y'all what I found out. I got in the car yesterday. I'm gonna show y'all what I found out. But obviously I gotta go put some clothes on. I gotta go get ready, do all this good stuff, and then we gonna head out to the Magnum, man. Yes, sir. Boy, if it ain't one thing, it's another. So I done got ready to go. Come to find out, him and wife took off in the vehicle that has my wallet in it. I never leave my wallet in the car, bro. And what happened, I had so much stuff yesterday that I was getting out, I forgot to get my wallet out. And she took off in the vehicle with my wallet, bro. I have no money. So I can't go do what I was about to do. Cause I'm not finna drive all the way across the town to meet her, bro. I can't do it. I don't even think I have no gas in my car. You know what I'm saying? I don't even think I have no gas. So what I am gonna do, guess I can just get the key to this Magnum, walk out here and show y'all what it is the Magnum was doing. So I'm just gonna walk out here and show y'all what I discovered that the Magnum is doing, man. This car is tripping. Hey man, look at it. Look at it, man. Support your people, man. Support your people. Don't be looking for no handouts. Don't be, you know what I'm saying? Oh, you my partner. You my partner, man. Let me get a discount. Bro, my best friend spent like $200. He's like my brother, man. Spent like $200. I ain't even know he was finna do it. But I just woke up and seen he had hit the website and spent like $200. $230 to be exact. But yeah. Support, bro. Support, you know what I'm saying? Don't be always looking for discounts because it's your partner and this and that. At the same time, respect what he got going. Respect his hustle, respect his grind, bro. You know what I'm saying? You get on your grind. So, you know what I'm saying? When it come to buying something, you ain't got no issue with paying whatever it is. You ain't worried about no discount, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? I threw him an extra shirt in just because. See, that's that type of stuff happen when you know what I'm saying? When you real and when you support. You know what I'm saying? He ordered this. I seen that. Like, oh, he ain't asked for no discount. He ain't asked for none of that. He just hit me, boom, just hit me with the, you know what I'm saying, with the website. Didn't ask for no free shipping. He paid for shipping. He paid for shipping. I see him every single day. No cap. I see him every single day. And he paid for shipping. You know what I'm saying? So I threw him threw him some extra stuff in there. First off, my key is still broke. Look, y'all look at my key. Remember, I had went and bought another key, had a whole nother one made, and flew out to Arizona to meet up with my guy Jeremy. On the plane, on the way back, I lost my key, so I had to go back to my old key. That's crazy. But man, it is hot. God, dog is hot in here. Y'all remember I put the radio on her. It had to, you know what I'm saying? The little radio wasn't even working. Like aftermarket radio or whatever. But this car still look good, bro. Those that ain't seen it, this car set up for years. This car set up for like 6 years, bro. Headliner, everything still looks good. Everything, bro. It's clean. It ain't dirty. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna start it up. I'm gonna show y'all how I gotta start it up. Y'all see that key? All right, y'all see the key, hold on. So I still gotta connect this to it. So I'm gonna put it down. Let me try to do it while I'm recording so y'all can see. Cause it's not gonna start any other way. So I still gotta, you see that in there? It's gotta connect in there. So I gotta put that on top of it like this and then start it like that. Then I can take this off. But you gotta be sitting close. You gotta be sitting close. Why is my windshield wipers on? This is what it's doing. Power steering, man. Out of there. All the way. All the way. All the way out of there, bro. Power steering all the way out of there. That's pretty much the only thing wrong with it other than the AC. I got to get the AC fixed, man. The AC was like, they told me like $600 to fix that. I'm going to go on and get that done. I've been slacking on it, but I'm going to go on and get that done. I got to get that fixed. It's blowing, but it just don't blow cold. You know what I'm saying? If anything over like 82 degrees, I can't drive this car. It'll be too hot. But less than 80 some degrees or less than 82, 83 degrees, then I'm good. I can have the windows up, AC blow cold enough. But other than that, it don't. Anything higher than that, I can't drive this car. You know what I'm saying? But that's the only thing really wrong with power steering, bro. You know what I'm saying? Look, tell me that car ain't hold together. 214,000 miles, bro. 214,000 miles. So we're gonna pop the hood. I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see this, but this the power steering box right here. You ain't gonna be able to see in there, but it's in there. Well, it don't even seem to be low. That's weird. Nah, that's gotta be low. That gotta be low. Gotta be. So the other day when I opened this up, bro, that had to have something to do. Okay, yeah. So it's low. That's what it is. That had to have something to do with it starting up right then, because now y'all can probably tell that it's kind of wet up here by the full cold. But the other day when I came out here early in the morning, I opened it up and this stuff wasn't, like, I wiped this stick, put it in there, nothing touched the stick. It was that low. Now it looked like it's a little something in there, but I think that's still the problem. It's just low on power steering fluid. That gotta be the only problem with it. So we're gonna test it out and see. That's what I was gonna do, man. I was gonna go buy some power steering fluid, but I don't have my wallet, so I can't go do nothing. Bro, what in the world? Bro, this, hold on. Bro, this is crazy. Bro, I took this paper out the other day and threw this paper on the ground right here. That was sitting right here. I took it out and threw it on the ground. And now it's back in my car. Like, how did they get back up there? Bro, that's weird. I kid you not, bro. That same piece of paper was on top of her yesterday morning. I took it off, threw it on the ground, bro, right here. And I pop my hood and it's back in her. That's crazy. But anyway, I'm not tripping either. Don't think I'm tripping. Unless it was a whole nother piece of Hershey paper stuck in here somewhere. I'm not tripping. Trust me, bro. Trust me. But y'all see, it look, I still haven't changed the hoses. I got the hoses. I gotta change the hoses. But other than that, everything good, bro. The engine was good. The engine was good, bro. I just put 4,000 in the transmission, so the transmission brand new. So everything good, bro. We just gotta get this power steering going, and we'll be back rolling. Let me know, should I put my wheels back on? Should I leave these on? A lot of people actually like my car like this, but it's a lot of people that prefer it with the other factory wheels. I think that's more the muscle car fans. If you like into the muscle car look, the whole muscle car look of the car, then you the one that really want the other wheels back on. But like people that just into the cars looking good or something like that, or just customizing your car, they like these, which I like them both ways. I like it both ways. So, like, I don't know. I like both ways. Y'all let me know. But man, I'm gonna have to finish this a whole nother day, bro. I can't believe I left my wallet, bro. So 44 gang, here it is, another day, man. Another day, and I finally got my power steering fluid. Him and wife went to pick me up some. So, well, actually, my mama had some. Him and wife was at my mama's house when I asked her to go get me some, and my mama just so happened to have some. So they sent me some. Well, I should say my daddy. My daddy probably bought these. My mama ain't bought these. But yeah, so we're gonna go put this in the car, see if it's gonna help this Magnum, man. I wonder if you gotta drive it around a little bit before, I don't know. But we're gonna open this back up. And I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. Show y'all what I'm talking about, man. See, now it's just way, now it's at the bottom. So when it's cold, we're supposed to be at this second line. So it is literally nothing in there. So let's post some in there and see if that helps it. So I don't even have no funnel, man. My funnel is actually in my other car. So I'm gonna pull this. We making a mess here. We making a mess. Keep it right there, keep it right there, keep it right there, keep it right there, keep it right there. Boom. We're making a mess here, fellas. Let's see where it's at now. My funnel is actually in my other car, man. And I just dropped my car off at the audio shop. So, come on. Well, we still a little low. Yeah, we still low. We still low. Do it sideways. If y'all didn't know, if you turn it sideways, it pull better. I knew that, but I just forgot. Oh, that power steering. Look how dirty that is. I probably should have flushed that fluid out. Oh yeah, we good now. We good. But that's why people say you should always, like when you have a car that's been sitting up for a while and you getting it back going, flush your fluids out, because that fluid in there yesterday, y'all couldn't really see through the camera, but man, it was like real lumpy and you could tell it was old. So hope they don't mess nothing up. I don't know. It shouldn't mess nothing up, but I do need to flush my fluids out of here. I think I got the oil change on it, so that's all good. But we got some. I can't tell if it's water in there. Let me see if I got some coolant in here, man. I can't even tell. That's probably extremely dirty. Let's see. Yeah, we got some coolant, so we good on that. We good on that. So let's see if it helped out. Might have to drive it a little bit. Man, it be hot. It is hot in here. It is hot in here. Look at that. That helped already. That's all it was, man. Power steering. That's all it was. No more. no more. So I got that fixed. Next thing is getting this AC fixed. So yes, sir. We good. We good. Like I say, man, everything cool in this car, bro. Everything is good. Everything, look, it ain't no cracks or nothing. Dash is good. Windshield cracked a little bit, but you know what I'm saying? I don't really gotta fix too much in here. The most part was that transmission. See, I got my hoses right there. I just gotta get them put in here. But the most part was the transmission, man. Leather and everything still good in here. Outlet, bro, we good. Got a little change in here. Oh yeah, I gotta get this fixed. I don't know how that wasn't like that at first. I don't even know how that happened. See if I can pull it up. That's better than it was. But yeah. See, the AC blow. It blow, but it just don't get cold. Like if I kept this car in the garage or something like that, and I got in it, I'd be alright. But the fact that it sit out here in the sun, and then you try to get in it, and then it's already hot, it ain't gonna cool you down. It ain't gonna cool you down. So we're gonna take this thing around. We're gonna take it for a little spin, man. Just take it around. Take it around the block or something like that. See, the AC blow, bro. It just don't do its job for us keeping you cool. But let me turn it down so y'all can hear me. But that's how it was, bro. Was the power steering was low, which I pretty much figured that. I figured that's how it was. That's why I checked it. As soon as Hemiwife, she drove it, and she was like, man, this steering is kind of tight. I guess it wasn't making a noise yet, but she said this steering is kind of tight. And she said the steering is kind of tight, man. And I don't know. I'm like, it probably ain't nothing wrong with it. I'm like, it probably ain't nothing wrong with it. But then when I jumped in it and I tried to start it up and go, as soon as I turned the wheel, it started, you know what I'm saying? So we good. Get that power steering going in there and let it float around a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Let it cycle through there. And we good. Shout out to my boy Mega Food, man. So yeah, man, that was just a little, let y'all know I'm finna start back working on that car. I just took a break from it. 'Cause I had a lot going on. Still got a lot going on. So y'all just bear with me, but I'm trying to juggle everything that I'm doing, man. So I'm pretty much trying to juggle everything that I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? And I just jumped into a lot of stuff at one time, man. And I'm trying to juggle it, make sure everything good, make sure this running right, make sure this doing good, make sure I'm doing good in this area, that area. It's just a lot going on. So y'all just bear with me, stay tuned. But we definitely coming with some bangers. So y'all stay tuned for that. But y'all know how I end out my videos, man. In the meantime, in between time, to the next video, holla at your boy. I'm out. Yes, sir.